about to install the Togue factory E92 shims, and hopefully that will stop the bump stop from happening. See the shims in there. Oh, his phone's ringing. Whew, such a beautiful angle of this car. My God, can't wait to add some more carbon. Okay, so you see it right there. $100 million change. Okay, so now we have the second bump steer correction shim in there. I'm hoping this works because again they said it will, and I'm tired of the car feeling like it's gonna go off the road when I'm driving back road and stuff like that. So I really do hope after this and the alignment it sorts it out, because yeah, literally the whole point of this car is to have fun on the back roads and stuff, back roads of tracks and all that stuff. Nothing on the street, of course, obey all traffic laws, but no, the thing though, it's like a SSR certified dealer, like SSRs on SSRs, like GTX 01s, brand new, bombo clot. They got these wheels right here, forged carbon, crazy. And then there's more. There's really not many places you could go to get carbon lips and carbon barrels put on safely. Like, do you see that? Carbon with the green fleck in it. Like, where else can you trust to get them put on? Nowhere. 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 Road force balance and everything, not the cheap shit.
No, it's not over. $20. $5. I don't like when so good. Yeah, he comes in, he leaves. No, cash out. Come on, though. Let me throw $5 cash out. Let me in. $5. I have one. Look. 1, 2, 2, 1. 2, 2, 1. I have one. Your turn. You. Yeah, you. Now you play it. I got left hand, bro. I'm gonna win it. No. Come on, dog. Nothing. No. Again. All right, next one. Again. What? Next one, $20 roll. You better go again. Nothing. Go, roll again. First time rolling. Yeah. 1. Nothing. For what? You have to get 2 numbers and then a single. 2 match and then a single. 1. Nothing. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Easy work. 1, 2, 3. Nothing. Easy work. 1, 2, 3. Pull off. Let's get it. Nothing. Easy work. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look. No, you understand. Okay, so you have 5. Yeah, you have 5. You have 5. That's good. Quattro, cinco, 1, 2, 3, nigga. Pop, nigga.
Oh my God!
Let's go.
Yo, that's, don't worry, you listen to the all taking my money. Quattro, cinco,
Zamshala.
six.
Yo, this is
One bombo clat.
Pimple.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, nigga. 1, 2, 3, nigga. Bitch ass.
Yo, that's crazy. Right, nigga, so this shit on the floor.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
3. Fuck out of here.
Right? That's what I'm saying. This nigga quick. Yo, this nigga too quick. Yo, I see this shit. Yo.
Yo, bro, stop doing all that. Bro, just roll it down.
Yo.
Yeah, there's 6s that coming.
3.
I was about to say it.
Stop doing all that Fremont swinging.
Yeah, lunch on easy.
All right, this nigga voodoo in the dice.
4, 5, 6.
Yes.
That was close. That was close as shit.
4, 5, 6. 1, 2,
1, 2, oh, 5. I was about to say that was close again. Whoa! Hey! Oh!
Quattro, cinco,
One of those shreds.
6. 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
Damn, yo, he be going too close. Yo.
He's gonna roll us 2.
On you right there. Boom.
3. Yeah.
Oh, I was about to say it.
Yeah.
4, 5, 6.
3.
3, 3. 3, 3. Boom, book. Yo, 3, 3, 3 again, bro.
My money back, nigga. Yo, this nigga.
Nigga said 3, 3, 3 again.
Bitch ass nigga. You out of here, nigga.
Oh, I was about to say. I thought that was 4, 5, 6. I was yo.
Trips 3. Trips 5.
You out of here, nigga. See if you roll 6.
Oh, 4, 5, 6.
Right? That was 4, 5. God.
1.
4, 5, 6.
3. 3. God damn. Trip 4s with a. car does feel like when you go over a bump before, like it wanted to feel like it was like uncertain of itself, but now it feels fine. So